weather.
Got some brand new info coming in tonight on what's going on for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. This is our impact days. The weekend looks quiet, but when we get to this point, it's going to get really active in a real hurry on Tuesday. And I really think our primary issue is going to be wind. There is a chance that some of the storms coming in could be severe. You think back about 2 weeks ago, we had that line of storms come through, that big squall line. It did have some embedded severe thunderstorms that did produce tornadoes, but those are on the uncommon end versus the more common end of the things that we are anticipating for Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's the brand new model data coming in right now, and by 3 p.m. Tuesday, you've got this big area of widespread rain and potentially intense thunderstorms in Mississippi and Tennessee and Arkansas and Louisiana. We may not get the same kind of fuel for the kind of muscle that this storm system has out to the west. In fact, as it comes in, it actually gets stronger when it comes to how much muscle there is, or wind shear lift in the atmosphere, but we just don't have the energy to make those storms balance it out. So severe weather, not out of the question. I just think this is going to be a big band of high wind and locally heavy rainfall that comes through fairly quickly and is out of here early Wednesday morning, but it's going to stay blustery all day Wednesday too. Here's the newest wind guidance, and if you remember when we talked earlier at 4 and 5 and 6, we were in the low impact for a large part of the day on Tuesday. Well, now that storm system is getting stronger and speeding up, it looks like we could be in high impact wind as early as noon, and that could last to as late as 6 p.m. And think about this. If this is off by 20%, which it could be, it could easily be off by 20%, that would still be a 50 to 60 mile per hour gust at Coleman and about a 45 to 50 mile per hour gust around Birmingham and Alabaster, Tuscaloosa, Utah, Anniston, Gadsden, Talladega. We're easily going 45 to 50. And when you add up hour after hour of this wind, we're likely to have a lot of power outages early next week. So you can use the weekend ahead to get prepared for that. Make sure you got batteries. Make sure you've got things to get you through if the power goes out for a couple of days with an event like this. The main risk of severe weather is going to be to our west. The primary timeline is going to start about 5 p.m. Tuesday and end about 4 a.m. on Wednesday. We're going to narrow this down over the next couple of days and make sure that you have everything you need to know about that timeline for Tuesday and Wednesday as it becomes more and more clear. Tomorrow, got a cold front coming through. It'll be colder to the north, or cooler to the north, and a little warmer down to the south, starting the day in the 40s, getting up into the 60s. It will be breezy tomorrow, northwest wind 10 to 15, gusting to 25. Alabama Forestry Commission advising against burning, and Sunday will be chilly and breezy with a high in the mid-50s. And then keep an eye on those storms Tuesday and Wednesday.